It was a warm summer afternoon. Maya and Theo were playing in the garden. Suddenly, Grandma called them. "I have a surprise for you," she said. Inside the crate, there were pieces of wood, nails, and a hammer. "It's a treehouse kit," said Theo. "Can we build it today?" Grandma smiled. "Yes, but we need to work as a team. Maya, you will hold the wood. Theo, you will help me with the nails." Maya held the wood very still. Grandma hammered the first nail. Bang, bang, bang. Theo passed the nails one by one. "Good job, Theo," said Grandma. "You are a great helper." Theo passed the nails one by one. "Good job, Theo," said Grandma. "You are a great helper." Next, it was time to paint. Maya chose blue. Theo chose yellow. They painted the walls together, laughing as they worked. As the sun began to set, Grandma hung soft fairy lights around the roof. "These will make it feel magical at night," she said. Finally, the tree house was ready. It had a little window, a soft rug, and twinkling lights. "It's perfect," whispered Maya. But suddenly, the wind grew strong. Dark clouds covered the sky. "Uh-oh," said Theo. "I think it's going to rain." "Quick, grab the blankets," said Grandma. They hurried up the ladder just as the rain began to fall. Inside, it was warm and cozy. Grandma wrapped them in soft blankets and poured hot cocoa into mugs. Rain pattered gently on the roof. A flash of lightning lit up the sky. Theo jumped a little. "Don't worry," said Grandma gently. "We are safe and warm in here." "When I was your age," Grandma said, "I built a treehouse too. It had only one wall and a roof made of leaves." The children giggled. Slowly, the rain became softer. Theo yawned. "I'm getting sleepy," he said, rubbing his eyes. Grandma made a soft bed with pillows and blankets. "Time to rest," she whispered. "We can stay here tonight." Maya and Theo snuggled close together and soon fell fast asleep. Grandma tucked the blanket around them carefully. Then she looked out the window. The clouds were moving away, and the sky was full of bright stars. And so, under the stars, in their very own treehouse, Maya and Theo slept soundly, dreaming of their next adventure. Good night.